Hey, so I just want to do a quick run through of Broccoli. This is the button in the top right hand corner of the screen for the extension. And what it does is whenever you visit a website that has summaries of the terms of service or privacy policy available, it will show you the number of summaries that you still need to review. So if we go to Amazon, there are 3 summaries that I've not yet reviewed. So if I click the button, it will pop up and display the title and the summary of a point, and it gives me the option of kind of logging whether I think this term is fair or not. And this doesn't sync to any service. This is just so that you can review later on what you thought about certain terms. So I'll show you what I mean by that. You can hit review points up at the top here, and it'll take you to a list view, and it looks like I have marked one of them as being unfair, so terms may be changed at any time at their discretion without notice to the user. Let's go and take a look at that. So I clicked it, it brought me to that point, and I can see the full summary of that point. And then as for the other options in this tray here, we have links to Amazon's privacy policy, conditions of use, and if you click credits, it will give you more or additional information about the author of the summary, the contributor, the license to use that summary, as well as more generic credits for the extension and the service. And if you click share, this is just text that you can use to start a post or an email. You can copy what you need out of it and share it with your friends. This permalink refers specifically to this point, so terms may be changed at any time at their discretion without notice to the user. If you copy the permalink here into a new tab, it's going to open and scroll directly to that point on TOSDR's page. And then everything else is fairly basic. If we go to a service that's been completely reviewed, it will give me the number of points I agreed with next to the total number of points. So that's the 9 by 11. There's 0 left to review. I agree with most of them. And then we can export those points into a data file. So if you want to clear them, you can export them before you clear them. But anyway, we'll clear them, and as you can see, they've all been returned to unreviewed status. One interesting thing to point out is if the summary, if any of the summaries are updated by the service TOSDR, it will return to undecided status. So that's kind of a way to keep track of whether summaries are being updated or not. And I hope this extension helps you review privacy policies in terms of service at your own pace, because let's be honest, shoving a 25-page document or whatever in front of a user, expecting them to read it before they use a service, is a lot to ask on the front end. So hopefully people will become more informed about the services they use. I know I have. So anyway, enjoy it, and thanks for watching.